copy trade. matter where you're turning in from, whether you just drink your morning or you're in the middle of trading green and relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Helen and your host for the next 2 hours, and on behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, and I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's session isn't just another presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing and forward-thinking fund trading firms in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Join me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not only skilled professionals, they are mentors and leaders within our community. First up, the ever composed, always insightful owners. Welcome, owners.
Thank you so much, Helen, and hello everyone. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm generally excited for this session.
Empowering and secure.
We're going to uncover not just about strategy or rule, but the entry ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trade; it builds a trader step by step, from trading out to scoring to earning.
And next to him is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading. Strategies reside and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Scarlett.
Thank you, Helen, and hello to everyone in the chat. I'm genuinely thrilled to be here. What excites me most is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offers, but how you can truly take advantage of each part of our system, packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. If you ever have questions or doubts, today is your chance to ask.
Exactly. Whether you completely new or already a fund trader with us, today live stream will give you a full picture, not just highlight reel. We are going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, and how our program are designed, why we operate differently from a traditional broker or law firm. And just to clarify, this isn't just about selling you anything. This is about helping you understand what you're signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use the structure to not only succeed but actually scale.
Let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funded project, not a broker. That difference matters. Broker profit from volume or client losses. WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on risk, and share profits when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy shapes our trading package as well. Today we will work through each package, who it designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you ever look at our package and through which one fit my style, well, you finally get the answer.
And beyond just explanations, we're doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account size, macro drawdown, consistency rule, and payout timeline. Pretty number on the website is one thing, understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And once you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I stay compliant while trading? So we'll dive deep into the rules, especially the loss limit and how it's calculated, why floating profit and loss matters, and how to avoid violations, especially overnight. We'll also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade.
And I'm going to explain through I said real experience from my early funded trading days. Mistake I make, adjustment I am learning, and how the rules are absolutely there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we go through our current promotions, discount codes, support campaign, capital bonus, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, we'll talk about the scale-up lane, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there's a structural pathway to grow into higher capital tiers. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb toward becoming a super funded trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strong energy behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade. The profit sharing model. This is the heartbeat of what makes it different from everyday typical from platform out there. And when you trade on funded account, flow the roof and generate profit, we say that profit with you, not just a small cut up to 90%. But here the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters is that in the payout cycle, the result and time, and how timeline works. And we're breaking all up down today, so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
And now I know a lot of you are turning into the as interest trader. Some of you are mentor, educator, community leader, or just you simply have a strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We will walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and more more importantly, what you need to qualify for payout. That includes a full explanation of the two referral rule and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprise.
And that's super important. We've seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome. But we want every partner to feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you're not just earning commissions, you're building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So as you can already tell, this is not your usual level live stream. Today we're going deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale pathway, profit sharing, affiliate opportunities. All with the one goal, helping you make the smartest, more informed decision for your trading journey.
And we want it to be interactive, not just a lecture. So if you have a question, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here and we're watching, and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we'll leave timestamps, summaries, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They're one of the most dedicated team I work with, and they really want traders to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this. WeMasterTrade not just a platform, it's a commitment. A commitment to build real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people around the world a stronger, scalable path to turn trading into a professional, not a gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you're in exactly the right place. Let's take the journey together. And once again, welcome to the WeMasterTrade live stream. Alright trader, thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jump into packages, trading rule, promo, and everything exciting that's coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because you put your time, your energy, and your trading journey into a platform. Understanding who we are, what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. Also, the next statement is all about origin, intention, and impact. It's about where WeMasterTrade came from, what value hold this entire platform together, and how those values transform into the real tool, real opportunities, and real outcome for the trader like you. And to walk us through that story, we have got two people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, owners and scholars. Owners, let's kick up from the beginning.
Thank you, Helen. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it created in the first place. Unlike most broker or platform that grow out of traditional finance, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give capital trader access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. We were founded in 2022 as part of WeCopyTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeCopyTrade make its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signal. But WeMasterTrade, it was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them, so they can earn professionally without risking their capital.
Here's one key point many people overlook, and it matters. WeMasterTrade is not a broker. This isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commissions, and we don't earn when traders lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we build, instant money, profit sharing, scale up is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide the structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with skill and discipline. When you grow, we grow, but we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want traders just memorizing rules. We want them to understand the logic behind the structure, the why behind the risk model, and that's why we invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professional.
And the academy is seriously something special. We have a training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calculation to advanced multi-asset strategies. But the best part is not just the theory, it's built a mirror to the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in academy, you can apply that regularly to your fund this account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standards, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO certificate, a recognition given to the institution that deliver high quality, structure, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now that certificate isn't just a badge. It's a statement. It shows where investors in developing trader, not in collecting fee and disappearing like so many firms in this place. While other platforms rise fast and vanish even faster, WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, compliance, transparent process, and a team that stands behind every decision. We're not here for a quick way, we're here to help build career that lasts.
And that commitment shows in the stories we hear every day. If you visit our testimonials page, you'll see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, South Africa, all sharing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but help them trade with confidence and purpose. Some past challenges after years of being stuck with retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found clarity, structure, and support they never experienced before. We watched students turn into full-time traders. We see women step back into finance after long career breaks. And young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the market, now trade with real capital and real opportunity. That's the impact that we care about. That's what keeps us moving.
And but the ecosystem goes beyond funding for traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying tuned with the markets. We maintain the consistently updated blog session, quickly insight, psychology breakdown, market reaction, of platform update. We believe trading is the lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops shaping the ASF. And let's talk about the culture for a moment. What set WeMasterTrade apart isn't just a fear, it's a mindset we cultivate. Integrity, respect, leadership, knowledge. Whether you're chatting in our Telegram group, watching our YouTube story, or talking on our live support team, we will not notice one thing. We actually listen, which is trader like partner, not taking number.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer. But at the WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entry model. Your performance fuels the business, and your feedback shapes the platform. Your consistency determines how far we can scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare and is something we genuinely value.
So if you ever have questions, whether this path is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, go with the testimonials, look at the funny accounts, talk to people who've been through the system. The story are real, the capital is real, and the results, they speak loudly.
To summarize, we than a platform. We're a capital allocator, a talent asset relator, and an education for trading institution. We're here to challenge the status in trading asset, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunity for traders worldwide, no matter where you start. This is a big data platform. It's a trading movement, and if you're already a part of it, today LiveStream will give you the full roadmap to get started. And thank you, Onat and Scala, for the deep and honest walkthrough. Community we will take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages, then a full breakdown of our different account options as WeMasterTrade, how they differ and who they are designed for, what kind of results you can reality call it expect from us. Now, that we have a bit of explore who WeMasterTrade is and the principle we stand for, it's time to dive into one of the most important parts of today's session, a detailed discussion on our account packages. For most traders, this is where the journey begins, choosing a structure that's aligned with your goal, your trading style, and your current skill level. And when we say packages, we are not just talking about dollar amount, we're talking about the framework for growth, especially as WeMasterTrade represent a different pathway, a roadmap toward building skills, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. And today we will walk you through every package, explain what it offers and how it's structured, and more importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Helen. WeMasterTrade we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product line for traders: the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration because traders come with different strength, risk ability, and timeline. So we make sure that part of everyone, whether you're starting small or ready to scale fast.
So now let's talk about the instant funding package designed for traders who are willing to skip the challenge phase. Start trading with real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is for those who already have a test strategy or want to hit the ground running fast, efficient. It's still structured rather than risk rules that keep your hustle.
And in the instant funding package, you select an account size 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, or 100,000, and you start trading real funded from day one. The rule are straightforward: 5 daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. They are so similarly phased, and you're ready in the funded state, and your profit up to 90%.
And so to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progression through your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit share. The instant funding package is for traders who want to start with the real capital immediately, with all projection and profit sharing benefit intact.
Exactly. Think of it this way: challenge package is build confidence, demonstrate skill, grow progressively. Instant funding is straight line capital immediately. If you're confident in your strategy, both paths lead to the same destination, scaling your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And we don't forget both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade with management rule. That our guarantee you have a clear transfer path whether you learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the standing point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginning, intermediate, or advanced, there are WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to side-by-side comparison of challenge with the instant funding. So you can already see account size, risk rule, timeline, profit share opportunity.
The $25,000 to $100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funded accounts. If you pass out broader challenges or have a strong, verified trading history, this is the natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, it's just $50 for the 10,000 challenge. Here's the good part, the fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance conditions. And if things don't go your way, you're eligible for the 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through challenges or and want real capital from day one? Earning perks based on result, that's whether our instant fund package come in.
And this is where WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced, disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluations, no demo stages, just like trading fully packaged with a structured, fair and transparent system.
And accessibility EK, you can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preferences, and goals. Today, we go through the 4 main instant funding packages: 51010, 510 Euro, 510 OBC, and custom made. We compare the details, but more importantly, we help you figure out which package is right for you.
And let me set the scene. Or the instant funding packages give you the live trading asset from day one. That means no challenge phase, no evaluation. You pay one, follow the rule, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the size, includes no time limits, up to 90% profit share, scale up length to 1 million, support for EAs, swing trades, card swing, and even SFT strategy. And now let's go package by package. Owner and Scarlett, I want you to jump in the real advice. Who should choose which package and what kind of trader have you using success with it? Let's shift gear to the 510 package. Send the maximum capital up to the $200,000. But now you get the 5% daily lot and a 10% overall limit. And why that's important?
That extra breathing room is huge for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple entries for setup. Imagine you're in a volatile market with fast swing. The 510 rules lets you navigate larger moves without hitting the limits prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
And the profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping, EA, new trading, swing trader, hack empty, whatever suits your style. This package is about tolerance and adaptability. It will work traders who understand position sizing, with risk management, and market timing.
So, Owner and Scarlett, for someone deciding between standard and 510, how do they know which fit their trading personality?
If you prefer low risk, steady growth stand in your friend, and you can compound slowly without pressure. 510 is for those who understand volatility, management, multiple position, and want a slightly ladder cushion. You have more room to make a strategic move without being cut off by limit.
Exactly, we've seen many traders graduate from standard to 510 once they understand their ages. But it's about scaling safely, yet aggressively when the opportunity arises. And this package is perfect for day traders, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, or volatile market forex pair. If you already have a tested intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for risk, it's the package for you. It gives you flexibility without scary pricing structure.
And it also great for traders who fly with clear target. That 10% overall growth, 10% profit growth act as motivating milestone, keeping your focus and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and the package gives them that clarify without feeling restrictive.
And so to sum up, our Python 10 for the high tolerance intraday on ambitious trader. And the next, we will dive into the Python Euro and Python 10 No PC package, which are even more flexible for advanced trading style, including EAs, covering, and more aggressive strategy. Now, this one a personal favorite for the trader who love trading on their term, the Python Euro package. You will get 5% daily loss, 10% overall loss, but zero profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patient, and let results come naturally.
For traders who fly on a position overpace, this is pro freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistency, and growing your account without any ability pressure, no target, just trading clean, controlled, and strategic.
This package is perfect for low-frequency traders and market makers. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, which will help them plan in this environment, actually rewards patient rather than punishing it.
Veteran swing trader, risk concert trader, basically anyone who value consistent over speed. If that sounds like you, yeah, this package will feel like home.
And let's face it, not every trader wants to trade targets. Some just want to trade quickly, scale smartly, and grow steadily. This is the package for them.
And next up, for traders who want maximum flexibility without constraint, the Python 10 No PC package. Scholars correct me if I'm wrong. This one removable frequency rule, right?
Exactly, same five type risk profile, but no pressure to smooth out your profits. You can hit big wins, take calculated swing. You are not penalized for volatility in results.
Channel has worked. Trader copier doesn't allow it, so this is for manual trader only. But for those who enjoy high risk, high reward trading with obsessional big spike, this is the ideal area.
And who's it for? It's for aggressive traders, risk takers, or anyone frustrated by strict consistency rules elsewhere. Trade how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customer package. Think of this at WeMasterTrade saying, you define this rule or we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overall loss, and even fund up to 400,000. The largest funding option we offer. This designed for decision traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
This is premium all access trading. You can use is a new strategy. We can holding everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the package that lets you bring it to life. And who's it for? Top tier professionals, ex-hedge fund traders, high volume traders, signal providers. Someone who wants a fully tailored trading setup, this package puts the blueprint in your hands.
I always say if you try our model and nothing fits the customized package, let you build your own roadmap, and that level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious trader.
To wrap it up, every instant funding package we offer is built around quality, fairness, and real opportunity. Clear risk parameters, competitive commission, full packages, and generous profit potential. No artificial or time limit and payout. They can start as early as the very next day.
And here the best part, no matter your trading style, scalping, swing angle or manual, there an account that match you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now and the growth compound naturally.
And if you're ever on the fence, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. The account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fit always outperforms the flashiest promise.
And thank you for the audience. We will explore the next role after having a short break. Welcome back to our live stream. You have seen the packages. Now it's time to talk about the rule that can make or break your account. The daily loss limit. Stay tuned. This one separate from promo from the panic. Get funded, feel amazing, but stay funded. That's a real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down, wanting daily loss.
And yes, the infamous daily loss, most traders think they understand it until it falls. Their account may trade on a Tuesday afternoon. Classic.
But here the silver lining when you really grasp it, this rule come here become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we break it down step by step with real example.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both lows and floating trades. Hit it even for a second and your account shut down automatically.
And here's the nuance. It's always calculated from the higher of your starting balance or equity. That's more details. What catch so many traders off guard?
Think of it safety list. It's not there to punish you, it's that keep there to keep you in the game.
And let's get practical. Today, your balance is 105,000, but the equity is 107,000, thanks to some floating profit.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates from 107,000, the highest number.
4% of $107,000 is about $4,280. Your equity cannot drop below $102,720 that day, or it's auto liquidations.
And here's the kicker, this is the real time. The system doesn't wait, dips below for even a second and boom, account closed.
And for example, 2 balance higher than equity. Now flip it. Day 7 balance is $100,000. Equity is $99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Sin balance is higher, 4% daily loss. At $4,000, your equity must stay above $96,000 all days.
A drop to the 95,999. Auto liquidation trigger, no massive core, no warning, just done.
So what happens if you break it? The system executes a market order to close everything. All trades liquidated, account disabled. You cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it's executed at the live market price, so labor can make the final P&L work. Then it's expected that 3,900 loss you plan count turn into the 4,200 in seconds.
And that's why we always say, don't dance on the earth. Respect the limit, protect your capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
And how to stay inside the daily loss box? Well, let's dive into how to avoid violating the daily loss rule. This is where the broke mindset kicks in.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Now, don't blame trader that put you right to the edge of your limits. At least 10 to 50% cushion below your max, especially in volatile market.
Tip 2. Focus on equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you're already at risk of violation.
Tip 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide a live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory or guesswork.
Tip 4. Follow up the early loss. If you lost 3% in the first hour of London session, stop, reflect. Don't try to trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news events. Trading gold during NFP at full size. That fast track to hitting daily loss. Scale down your loss. Ride the bulls of volatility. Move safely.
And let's talk about the traps. What mistake do trader makes more often with daily loss?
Number one, over leveraging opening trader are 5 to 7% of your account thinking your assets quickly. When it gone red fast, it's already too late.
And number two, holding overnight without checking exposure. Screen trades left overnight wake up to a 60 pip gap. They lost and trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake.
Assuming only cloud trader matter enough, equity include floating P&L too. That's your real score. And I always tell new trader the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account ever. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistake.
Exactly. It forces discipline. You can be aggressive, but only inside the box. Learn that a yacht lasts longer than 90% of the market.
One last word, this isn't just about rule, it's about trust. We want to trade fund you because we trust you you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss, it protects that trust for both sides. And we cover the daily loss rule. Are you day-to-day signal? Now it's time to talk about the anti-mate battery. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for the entire life of your account.
And a lot of traders think that I didn't hit my day limit, so I'm fine. But a few days of small losses add up, and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the max loss is the final safety net. Hit it and the system sees your account as unsalvageable. Immediate closure, no exceptions.
And let's break it down simply. If the total loss your account can sustain, a growth or trades at any moment. If your equity, including open trades, dips below that threshold, account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss, which reset each day, this accumulates low 2% one day, 3% the next, and cross the line, that's it.
And the actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance. It's always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profit.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with a 6% market loss, that is $3,000.
Your equity can never fall below 47,000. Doesn't matter if you make 1,000 yesterday, it accumulates from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses count. Close $2,000, floating $1,200. Equity is $46,800. Below $47,000, account closed.
It's about net gain or loss across trades. It's about real-time equity with a stop loss floor.
Say your account grew to 51,000, profit feel great, right?
Yeah, but max loss is still based on original $50,000. 6% limit is equal to $47,000. Profit only gives extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop out $4,000 before hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
And drop below the max loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation triggers instantly. All trades closed at market price.
And like daily loss, limit may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And the more importantly, one bridge, the account is permanently disabled. No reset, no robots. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
Alright traders, here is the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the max loss clause and trade like a pro without sweating every second?
Tip 1. Know your floor. Always track your total close losses every day. Don't wait the dashboard unless calculate manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Treat profit as manner, not almost. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce lot size when you're ahead. Protect your capital, don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a horse. Even one to roll trade can turn your cushion into the catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip 4. Step back when danger loom. If you're 5% down on 6% daily loss, mark loss, don't chase it. Walk away, take a break, analyze and practice practice safe account.
And tip 5, never fight volatility blindfolded. Bitcoin news, reduce size, gold Nasdaq, Euro pair is by fast, respect the market, respect the risk, the limits.
And now let's get real. Here are the mood that destroy cow faster than you can blink.
Number one, over leveraging, opening position at 5 to 7% of your account, thinking it's safe. One wrong move and you're top.
Second, ignoring floating trades, flow 3 losers, pick your safe. One more red trade floating $1,500 to $2,000, boom, account cross the line.
3. Revenge trading lost yesterday, come back to win today to recover. That have 6% mark loss disappear into session.
And finally, slippery during news. Time stop doesn't matter. A single candle can whip out your buffer before you can blink.
And the mark loss isn't the enemy, it's your protective shield your ever. Every top trader I know treat it at non-negotiable crosses, and the lesson hit hard, account gone.
Exactly, think of it as a reality check. If you're constantly skimming the edge, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Fix that and the account lasts years, not days.
So here the mantra trader, respect the market law, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Just think like your best friend, and it will keep your account alive while more traders sell the drug around you.
And WeMasterTrade will not just handing out capital, we build through rebuilding this structure, this skip line and professional list. The market law through that separate gamble from true trader.
Oh, so let's load it in trader. Here's what you need to remember about market law. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6% or 10%. It's calculated from real-time equity, not just your balance. It's called both flow and floating losses. Every penny matters. And finally, here the kicker: 1x bridge account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect the trade more than your survive where most traders fail.
Alright, Toro, we have covered the daily loss and the market loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the result, not just risk. As we want to trade, we want to see traders grow, scale, and earn substantially. That's where the profit consistency comes in.
This rule separates lucky buy from the true profit. It tells us whether you can make consistency over time, instead of relying on one big win.
And it also shows how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals, and scales up. For the account withdraw at full profit, this rule is properly applied.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit come in day to day. One high spike and several flat or losing day, high ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, mod account requires 30% busy, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit. Exception: the 5-10-10 no BC bucket and no BC rule at all.
Or if your BC exceeds 20%, if your profit share drops to 10%, that's right. Keep your consistency in check if you want to maximize earning. And how they calculate the formula is simple. The best trading day profit divide to total gross profit and multiply by 100 equal to profit consistency percentage.
Best day equal to single day high gross profit. Total profit equal to sum of your gross profit minus gross losses. Floating losses don't count into close.
So if your bad day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency is 200 divided by 100 multiply 100 equal to 40%. That's too high. And you need to try more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payout.
And example walkthrough 5-day results. Day 1 plus $100, day 2 plus $200, day 3 minus $50, day 4 plus $100, and day 5 plus $60.
Total net profit equal to 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus and 100 plus 60 equal to 410.
And the budget is day 2 at $200. The BC will be 200 divided 410 multiply 100 equal to the 48.78%.
Way above the 30% limit, even though profitable. Profit share drops to 10% until consistency improves.
Profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable trader will get a full profit share if again too much considerate.
And if you're relying on 1 or 2 monster days to carry your account, that risk not skill, you need steady wins.
Long-term balance is high interest, scales up and full profit share. That's what separates planet growth from lucky spies. So over the limit, don't panic. Focus on evening out profits over multiple days.
Practical tip: reduce lot size for a few days. Take smaller control wins, 200 to 300 days. Avoid one massive swing trade. Spread gain across multiple days.
And for EA's user, monitor your equity curve. Small light spike profit into a one-day may hurt profit consistency. Adjust to keep ratio below from 20 to 30% for full profit share.
And the common mistake number 1, hitting target early and resting inflates best day ratio.
Number 2, over trading after big days, trying to squeeze in more equal to a higher ratio.
And number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
BC isn't a hurdle. It's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit this and WeMasterTrade will trust you with bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable accounts get reduced payouts.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profits are one lucky spy any day. Keep profit consistency below from 20% to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast.
And at the end of the day, this isn't about controlling you, it's about building habits that can handle scale. If you can be consistent with 25,000, what happens when we give you 100,000 or more?
Exactly, consistency is your ticket to trust. At WeMasterTrade we can traders, but we also study them. This will show whether you're serious about long-term trading or just chasing lucky spikes.
And now we have seen it time again. The trader who respect this rule, they are the one to getting multiple payout, referral, and eventually scale into six-figure funding accounts.
So don't fear the rule and praise it as feedback. Too high, that's good, it means you'll make profit. Now the goal balances out over multiple sessions.
And remember, no manual mark required. WeMasterTrade dashboard automatically calculate your profit consistency ratio. Check it anytime under your statistics tab.
And to quick recap for trader, this rule is about balance, not volume. Keep your best day under 20% of total reform mark payout. Spread your win across multiple sessions. Monitor progress using the dashboard. So far, we have talked the daily loss, mark loss, profit consistency, shape your long-term payout and growth. And now we'll arrive at the final and perhaps more overlooked rules, or the inconsistency, or what we like to call the discipline test. Because honestly, the market isn't your biggest threat, your own inconsistency is. And the trader often think the hardest part is reducing price, but really it's staying disciplined with how much you risk per trade.
And this rule doesn't care about your win streak. It monitors your risk scores. If you want to scale at WeMasterTrade, this is non-negotiable.
And here the simple version: you cannot risk more than 2% of your initial account balance on any single trade idea.
And that includes everything into trade idea, close trade, floating loss, fees, and swap. Nothing is excluded.
For accounts like the 510 tuna VC package, the rule is even stricter, 1% per trade idea.
And consistency isn't just about profits and loss, it's about the growth. Random position sizing is why equity swing is very hard to scale.
And this rule protects both you and WeMasterTrade. It reserve capital and ensure your egg plays out over time.
Think of it as your account profit. It lost jumps from 0.5 to 5 overnight. That chaos not trading.
And so what counts as a trade idea? A trade idea isn't just one order, it's a bundle of trades sharing same logic.
For example, buy 3 buy order on go at different time equal one trade idea.
Same symbol, same direction, going around the same time, group logically. The 2% risk cap applies to the entire bundle.
And so the system doesn't just look at the trade individually, it looks at logical bundles.
And you can have multiple trade ideas as long as respect the 2% risk limit.
Buy gold, sell GBP, GBY, sell AUD, USD, 3 separate trade ideas. Each can risk up to 2%.
And so what's not allowed? Trees buy order on gold, same direction, same asset, is considered the one trade idea.
If combined risk exceeds 2%, the account is flagged immediately, no exception.
And let's break it down. It's merging 50,000 account. Your reconsistency limit is 2% per trade idea, so $1,000 mark per trade bundle.
Trade idea 1 buy gold, total risk 900, perfectly under the limit.
Later, you open another buy on gold, same direction, same assets, combined with the first positions. Your risk now total $1,200. That's 2.4%. Even though each trade looks small individually, the system counts them as one trade idea.
And here the crucial part: the platforms here to send break immediately. That means even a small miscalculation can trigger a violation. And alright, we will move the economic calendar.
Well, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to our live market breakdown. Today's session centered around Euro fiscal data, key China liquidity figures, BOE commentary, and high-impact US inflation and housing data, with potential volatility extending into the North America session.
Exactly, Scarlett will be closely tracking Euro, CNI, GBP, USD, and CAD, with inflation and employment data likely to serve short-term directional bias, and especially for USD pair. And the Euro session, trend budget deficit remain deeply negative.
Persistent fiscal pressure keeps long-term concerns alive, which may limit upside for euro, particularly against stronger fiscal counterparts like USD or CHF. Asia, Europe overlap China liquidity and credit. Tentative CNY M2 money supply year-on-year, actual 8% and previous 8%.
China's money supply growth remains unchanged.
This suggests stable liquidity conditions but without acceleration. It offers limited support for risk sentiment or commodity-linked currencies. At 5 p.m., CNY new loans extra at 820 billion and previously 390 billion.
And new loans issues show sharply.
This points to stronger credit expansion, which could support near-term growth expectations and provide a mild tailwind for risk assets and Asian airlines. The London session central bank signals at 6 p.m. GBP BOE Governor Bailey speaks.
And the market will closely monitor Governor Bailey tone on inflation persistency and rate timing.
Any pushback against early rate cuts could support GBP, while a dovish lean may pressure sterling, especially against USD. For U.S. session inflation, labor and housing, tentative USD NFIB small business index actual is 99.5 and the previous is 99. Small business optimism edged higher.
This reflects resilient domestic sentiment, offering more support for USD ahead of inflation data. At 2030 USD ABD weekly employment change up to 11.5. ABD joy can come in soft.
This suggests cooling labor momentum, which may temper USD strength if confirmed by other employment indicator. At 8:30 p.m., USD core CPI month-on-month actually 0.3% and forecast is 0.2%. Core inflation exceeded expectations.
They keep only underlying inflation sticky and rate forecast. The Fed caution stand supportive for USD at 8:30 USD CPI up to 0.3%, for record 0.3%. Headline inflation met especially patient.
While not a surprise, it confirms inflation remains elevated enough to delay aggressive easing. And that's the end of the news calendar.
And thank you so much to Scarlett and owners and or to all amazing viewers who joined our live stream today. We truly appreciate your time and support. And we hope that this live session has helped you gain a better understanding of our company, our trading rule. Stay tuned for our next live stream and happy trading.